Hey everyone, so a lot of people ask me specifically about hot tubs. So I want to run down a couple things that you need to know before you insert a hot tub. Number one, you can find them all over the internet. It's 2022 right now, we're heading into 2023. The supply chain has eased up and you're able to get one. Number two, the most important part is your base. So for this client, what we did was a stamped concrete base. The most important part of this is that it's 6 inches thick with steel rebar and wire mesh support throughout the concrete. Now, the reason why I mentioned 6 inches is because there's going to be a lot of weight once you put water in there. And as you have seen walking around, seeing concrete broken and stuff, you do not want that to happen while you're in the hot tub. So before you do any hot tub work, make sure you have a 6 inch thick base of concrete underneath supporting all that weight so you can have fun.